Welcome to Tip Tuesday. Hi, Ryan.
Hey Dana, good to be back.
Great to be back with everybody. So, there is a question that always comes up. It's not even really a question, it's a concern, I'll say. When a new home buyer is applying for a mortgage, we have to pull their credit. It's required, right?
It is, yeah. We get that concern a lot. We get a lot of people who say, I want to get pre-approved, but I really don't want that hard inquiry to hurt my credit. So I'm glad you bring that up, Dana, because this is something that comes up quite a bit when we talk to our clients. So yes, it's true. If you have too many credit checks or what we call inquiries, it can have a negative impact on your score. A large amount of checks, usually, for instance, maybe six or more, could really signal financial trouble in someone who's aggressively seeking credit. So that's usually why your score drops. Now, a mortgage inquiry, though, is different. So as long as you haven't had a large amount of checks in a short period of time, one mortgage hard check will not drop your score. And also, there's new scoring models that allow you to actually have multiple checks by multiple banks. You can have up to three, and within a 45-day period now, because things have changed a little bit, but now it's 45s. So the bureaus are basically like encouraging you, hey, get your credit checked, and shop around a little bit. So you don't need to be afraid of a credit check with a mortgage bank. And even a few after your initial check, just to make sure you're getting the best deal. So your score will not be impacted.
That's great. And like I said, it's a big concern. People don't want to take a hit to their credit. So now you don't. So great tip for this Tuesday, you guys. Good to see you. Let us know if you have any other questions. We'll talk soon. See you next week.
Hi, everyone.
Bye.